Yeah.
And had moved into this house. And now 1 year later, we moved back into the same house for a week. And it's been kind of weird comparing our life then to comparing our life now, 1 whole year ago. And it just seemed like the perfect time to make a video about it. 2019 has been fucking crazy for us. We're just taking this December holiday season to reflect on all of that. So we've spent about 4 months here in Merida now, and we feel super comfortable.
It feels like coming home when we come here. We know our way around on these streets. Everything's super walkable. We have our favorite restaurants, our favorite cafes, and all the places that we like to go. You can check out the guide that we wrote for here on our website, localnomads.com.
What we travel with, because we've been doing this for about 3 years now. So we figured that this video would give people an understanding of like what we actually carry with us. One of the biggest changes that we've had is that we've gone from backpacks to suitcases.
We used to be really anti-suitcase. That's the funny thing.
I think we had those backpacks for like 3 to 5 years.
They were great. It got us a long way. We traveled everywhere with them, but at some point it just became really inconvenient to carry around those big bags. Plus we had 2 backpacks each. So we each travel now with 1 backpack, that's our carry-on, and 1 suitcase each. So you're gonna see everything that's in our bag. It's our whole lives. We travel with everything that we have.
We're gonna dive deep into our suitcases and show you everything.
So this is my suitcase. It's not very big. It's actually carry-on size, but we always end up checking it because there are things that we carry that can't carry on. One of the most important aspects of our traveling lifestyle is organization. We've had to learn how to organize our stuff better, try to make sure that there's a place in my bag for every single item. One of the biggest changes for me this year was starting to use these packing cubes. This one contains all of my shirts now, but you can see I have about 5 or 6 of these button-down shirts, and then I have a bunch of t-shirts also. They're all rolled up in here, but I can fit about 15 shirts in this one little pouch. I have about 3 or 4 pairs of shorts, 1 bathing suit. I have about a dozen pairs of underwear. It's important to keep quite a stock of those. Dressier pants that I can wear if I have to go to an event or something. Just long underwear for occasional cold places. I do pack for cold weather. I have these jeans. I also have in here, on this side, I have a couple of jackets. Just picked up this jacket, reversible, so it's almost like 2 jackets in one. This is my towel. It's super thin and it's big. I have 1 flannel shirt, my hat. This one's like a summer hat. This one's a winter hat. I have a bunch of other socks, keep them all mismatched in here. I have 1 tie, belt is in here. This is the controller for my little baby drone. Woo, exciting. Raw hemp wick. 2 little pigs, some random stickers, tickets from Chichen Itza. This is Palo Santo wood. It makes a really nice smell when you burn it. It's like natural incense, so after you take a gnarly dump. This is probably the most important thing that I travel with. I use it every single day. This is my AeroPress, but I love it so much. I have a metal filter for my AeroPress so that I don't have to travel with the little paper ones. And now they have an even smaller one, which I'm hoping to get soon. Get out of here. toiletries and stuff. Some of them are still in the bathroom. Some coconut oil, arnica, condoms, and lube. I actually got a vasectomy a couple of months ago. I haven't been tested to make sure that I'm completely shooting blanks. For now, in the meantime, it's condoms. My Rubik's Cube. It's been with me for years. GorillaPod, Bluetooth speaker, Kelvin and Hobbes, but it's in Spanish. It's a cool way for me to practice learning Spanish. Sometimes I'll even write in some of the translations. Oral sex cam. I have some dice, kiss my body. This is my luggage scale. And then this lovely tapestry that we bought in Penang. It goes with us everywhere, and it just sits like right on top of everything in my bag. Now I'm gonna get into my carry-on. This bag was actually a gift to me from a friend named Pat. We were living at the Grand Canyon 4 years ago, so very sturdy bag. Laptop. We do all of our work on here. I keep it with me all the time. I have a bag of coffee, Manifesto, one of our favorite places here in Merida. This is sex tape. This is not really sticky, but it sticks to itself, so it's really good for, you know, taping people up. It also has multiple uses. I have a notebook. I use this to write down notes and things, but also just for doodles and drawing. Here we have an envelope that's full of all of our important documents, our birth certificates, all that stuff that's just occasionally really important, and a little incense burner. In here, I have this dummy wallet, and I have a few I bought, and old dead debit cards are in here. So in case anybody wants to steal a wallet, they can just take this one. This is my cords pocket, laundry, dirty clothes. Sometimes it travels in my bag, sometimes it travels in Gabi's bag. Right now I actually only have one pair of shoes, these Toms, usable water bottle, and that's everything.
This is like the basic structure of how my bag is packed. My yoga mat underneath. And then these 4 packing cubes. Bottoms, shorts, jeans, 2 pairs of leggings. I'm kind of obsessed with Lululemon. It lasts a long time. Tops, 5 tank tops in here. Black, more black, gray. And then I have some more patterned tops to kind of go with my leggings. I love this shirt. Better than blouses. I like a lot of stuff to layer because I'm always cold. This is kind of the only long sleeve light top that I have.
Great.
Okay. This isn't everything, it's mostly everything. This one, which is actually my biggest packing cube, mostly dresses and skirts. So a little more conservative. Would love to tie-dye this one day. Maybe a little too many dresses, but it's a work in progress, you know. And this is the last packing cube, which is like loungewear. I do travel with a robe, as you can see. Some comfy pants, t-shirt, comfy shorts. When you work from home, not getting dressed up to go to the office every day. This pair of like black boots, these Tom's sneakers, huaraches from Mexico that are super comfy. Unfortunately, my toe is broken right now, so I can't wear them. Shit happens. Okay, so on this side, got some like sports bras and underwear, a couple of nice bras. Who the fuck wants to wear a bra all the time? Anyway, you know, can't have enough underwear, really. I've got 2 bathing suits, one piece. It's like this side is like jackets, sweatshirts. This one's like a thicker layer. My mom's denim jacket. So thank you, Mom. Actually, I probably need to wash it. This is actually like a Lululemon rain jacket. Also super light, so it just like packs down really nice and tight and doesn't take up a lot of space. Pack towel. Like this is like a tote bag that I travel with all the time. We're going grocery shopping. Nail polish, nail stuff, some vitamins, and crystal deodorant. It lasts like a whole year. So this is like our bag of kitchen stuff. A spatula, which is for cooking eggs, small knife for like cutting up fruit, a couple of Thai spoons because these are awesome, wine bottle opener. A lot of times when we stay in Airbnbs, they don't have like everything we need. Having like a few little kitchen things makes it a hell of a lot easier and way more enjoyable to cook at home. Paper for painting on, watercolors and stuff, some paintbrushes. And yeah, if you want to get a little artsy, you gotta have the right equipment. Sorry, Mom, for the TMI. This is my carry-on bag, but it's super sturdy and it's lasted me a year or two now, probably. Computer, which is a Surface, very light. It's my notebook for work, my sketchbook, a couple of books that we've been reading, a book of recipes that I've collected from people in different places. Thanks, Robert, for that awesome onion pie recipe. Carry 2 small hard drives, some earrings, and necklaces and stuff. Normally I don't wear like any makeup, but once in a while I love to have some red lipstick, chicken coloring book. I switched over to a Diva cup like a year or so ago. Best investment, and it's like super eco-friendly. Ladies, seriously, headphone jack and some headphones. We only have one phone, which is what we're recording this on, so we use a headphone jack so we can both listen. Lavender tea tree oil, make myself smell good. Local Nomad stickers. Colored pencils, super important. Band-aids and things like that for little medical supplies and stuff. And this shawl, which I got in Arizona, would basically like a blanket. I have this with me always because, as I said earlier, I'm always cold. Okay, so the other super important thing for me is this camera. Canon 5D Mark II. I freaking love this camera, but it is so heavy. It's like my dinosaur baby. Like, as for camera gear, this is what I've got. A 28mm fixed lens for wide angle, a 50mm lens for portrait shots. Yeah, this is 28 to 75, so it's got a little bit of zoom action here, and actually I broke it, the rim of it. Still works, but you know, shit happens. A few other odds and ends in here. This is like an LED light. It makes it like an orange colored light. Photography hack. This is pretty much all my stuff, except for like a few toiletries and things, and whatever's in the laundry bag. It's an ongoing process to be a minimalist. You have to make some serious choices when you're packing and living like this.
One of the things that we really love about the houses in Merida is that they always tend to have some sort of outdoor space. So if you like to smoke or have your morning coffee outside in the patio, it's perfect. Hands down, the weirdest thing about being back in this house 1 year later is the fact that there are still hot sauces that we bought 1 year ago sitting in the refrigerator. But it just makes us think about how different we are as people 1 year later, while the hot sauces are still just sitting there in the fridge.
That was beautiful.
You had a really big change this year. You cut your hair off.
I did, yeah, on your birthday.
Yeah. You never cut your hair in your whole life before that, right?
Definitely not this short. Like, I think the shortest I had ever gone before was like about here. It was totally spontaneous because we were with friends for your birthday and they were like, you should cut your hair. You'd look good with short.
I was like, do it, do it.
But it has been quite a change and like awesome. I love it. What other big changes do we have?
Oh,
you
yeah,
shaved your beard off.
No, bigger than that. The vasectomy.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Been together for almost 10 years now. We've been talking about our decision not to have children for, well, about that long.
I had been on birth control for so long, and it was starting to make me feel like kind of crazy. So
yeah, just like the hormones are not really good for your mental health and your emotional well-being, especially when you're traveling all the time. Why have to deal with all of that extra baggage? Yeah.
But I'm feeling way more myself these days, and this is going to be like the best thing for us in the long run.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
We're committed.
Thanks everyone for watching our video. It was really fun hanging out with you all today and showing you all of our stuff.
Still seems like too damn much. We're just trying to keep it honest and show you what life is really like for us.
Probably got to know us a little bit better through this process. Thanks for sticking around. We appreciate you being here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Great job.
Thanks.